everybody. Hope you slept well. Today we're gonna make tofu scrambled. These are all the ingredients you're gonna need for this simple recipe. I personally didn't like tofu for the longest time. And then if you cook it this way, you'll actually like it. You'll like it a lot. This side we're gonna make potatoes. So instead of just regular white potato, I decided to take Japanese yam, 3 beets. I'm gonna mix those with celery, tomato, pepper, rosemary. Here in the middle, we have the ingredients for both sides. Tofu scrambled and potato, which is onion, half on each side, garlic, half on each side, and butter. Celery for the tofu scrambled. Actual tofu, extra firm as possible. 2 spoons of mustard. Capers, 1 spoon of caper, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. We have 1 whole pepper. I used half of each color for coloring purposes. 1 whole tomato, a handful of basil, handful of thyme, and we're good to go. I'm gonna show you how to marinate. 2 tablespoons of mustard, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 spoon of caper. We're gonna be mixing this now. So when there's no more white chunks, and you can see everything being yellow, and where it looks like actual scrambled tofu, you can stop. So while we let the tofu marinate, we're gonna start by chopping the peppers, tomato and celery, onion and garlic, your spices, beets, tomato, celery and pepper, onion, garlic, and your Japanese yam. Once you do all that, you're ready to start cooking. People that have watched the video so far, as a little bonus, I'm gonna throw in some apple and maple sausages. Just cut them in pieces like this. This is actually made out of apple, so it's delicious and it's extra protein. We're gonna start with the potato side because it takes longer for beets to cook. Okay, so first the onion. And then the garlic. So let's start with the beets. The beets always take longer to cook, so we're gonna start with that. Let's start with the onion and garlic. So first onion. And then soon after, garlic. So I recommend putting this at the end, but only per plate. So sprinkle a little at the end, not on the whole thing. So this is cashew base. I prefer cashew more than almond, so I get all my cheeses cashew base. This is a good brand you can find in Whole Foods.